put the saltfish last in the dumpling pot. Oh, we're firing it.
Because we did this.
I just
we
want
had before was too little, so go ahead and cook another little piece. So this one is the debone saltfish.
Oh, them take out the bone for it?
This is the debone one.
I prefer when you take out the bone.
Yeah, me have that one too, but me just.
I'm not know what take it out. Just search for the saltfish in the pot, man. Alright, look like it's fine, everything.
Pot?
Alright, so now I'll put some oil in the pot like.
See, not too much oil.
Seasoning over there,
Alright,
so.
waiting on the oil to get hot. So I just flake in the saltfish.
Yeah, so she'll flake it.
Already deboned, so there's no bone. So you have the debone and you have the ones with the bone.
Okay. Which one do you prefer, people? Debone or the one with the bone?
And it comes from Canada, just the same as the one with
Canada.
the bone. Yeah.
Me prefer the bone now. But I don't want the bone in my saltfish. I prefer, you know, somebody I know.